Welcome to IELTS speaking test number 15. Please turn on the subtitles. After completion of the video, check the vocabulary in the description box. Today, we will discuss the latest speaking topic. The subject of the day is, describe your favorite weather. In the question, you should answer the following sub-questions. What kind of weather it is? When this weather usually occurs? What do you usually do during this weather? Explain how this weather affects you. You should answer this question like, well, the weather is an important part of nature as well as everyone likes and dislikes the weather according to their choice and needs, but I always prefer hot weather because that time I enjoy it a lot as well. I also go outside with friends and family. It normally occurs from June to September, but now due to pollution, it may occur differently in different sorts of parts of the nation. Interestingly, I always like hot summer days, and I also love green grass, hot air, and more other things. In summer, I usually do different types of activities such as I go outside with friends and eat ice cream as well as also enjoy cold coffee, soft drink, and shakes with it. I spend a lot of time with family. Moreover, I and my family visit the poolside and water park. One water park near to my house, its name is the Our World, and there are a lot of water activities. When I go there, I usually enjoy water slides, rain dances, swimming, and delicious Punjabi food also. With it, I love hot weather because I like to wear dresses, swimsuits, shorts, and more other summer clothes. As well as, in the afternoon I sit in the room and listen to pop music and eat some light snacks. On the other hand, I do not like cold weather because at that time I can't go outside in western dresses as well. I can't eat cold food as well. I also don't like to wear a heavy coat on the dresses. Furthermore, in summer that time days are too long and easily visit other places, and I normally visit Mahabaleshwar Lake and enjoy a lot with friends. These are the main reasons I most prefer hot weather. This is an example. You can use your situation. Check out the vocabulary used in this speech, which is given in the description box. We hope you like this video. You can send us your story in the comment section. We are making a video every day. You can give us a like and subscribe to our channel for IELTS speaking practice. Thank you. Stay tuned.